two plumbers in Houston. One has 5,000 glowing reviews and the other has just 12. Shockingly, the one with only 12 reviews ranks number 1 on Google. Why? Because they're using these 5 AI hacks I'm about to show you that focus on what actually moves the needle in local SEO, not what most businesses waste their time on. Now, I built my agency to 7 figures using these exact techniques to put local businesses in the top 3 spots where 70% of all calls happen. Now, this myth about reviews is really just the start. Most SEO experts focused on vanity metrics that Google's algorithm barely cares about. Using these 5 AI hacks and the exact ChatGPT prompts I'm going to share with you today, you're going to learn exactly how to identify what actually matters in local rankings, you'll automate 80% of the workload, and you'll get businesses in the top 3 spots where they will actually get calls. Now, I've spent 10 years helping local businesses dominate their markets. I'm not talking theory. I'm going to show you what actually works right now. These strategies are why our clients stay with us month after month, getting real results they can see in their bottom line. And stick around until the end because I'm going to give you a bonus technique that can double your conversion rate once you're ranking. So let me step away from my desk for just a minute to show you something that will make this crystal clear.
The heart of local SEO isn't what most people think. So let me show you with these 3 cups why some businesses rank and others don't. Google's algorithm needs to trust your business before it's going to show you in the top 3 spots. Now, each one of these glasses represents a different local business, A, B, and C. You just search for plumber near me, and these 3 businesses are going to be the ones ranking. I also have this lovely non-alcoholic beer that will represent relevance, trust, and proximity, Google's 3 main local ranking factors. So the first cup, they're going to get filled 3/4 of the way with proximity. You're standing right outside the door of Joe's Plumbing, and you search for plumber near me, Joe is very likely to rank. But if you're a few miles away, there's a lot less of a location advantage. And if you're across town, then proximity won't really help much at all. So now let's add relics. Google will check your website. Is your website clearly about plumbing? Does it have content that's helpful for its users? Is it clearly a business located in this town? So Joe's Plumbing is a small single-page website with not very much on it. So sure, it mentions plumbing and the city name, but that's really about it. So they only get a little bit there. Now, the second business has a lot more views on their site. 20,000 words of content, all of them about plumbing, so they have quite a bit here. Now, the third business, they have a fully optimized website. They have an article about every category and every service on their Google Business profile. They also had 10 articles about different geographic landmarks in the city to show Google local relevance. Finally, let's add trust. After Google looks at your website, it then looks for external signals. How many times is your business mentioned on other websites? How many of these websites link back to you? And how many reviews do you have? So the first cup is already nearly full, but this business can't really be found, so just a little bit there. They don't have much going on other than the fact that the search is right in front. The second cup has built a little bit more, so they're also nearly full. Remember, all 3 of these are ranking. They have a few dozen appearances on reputable directories. They join Chamber of Commerce. Now, let's go with the third cup. Now remember, their location is all the way across town, but they built a lot of trust. They have Reddit posts. They cleaned the preschool page. They have a Yelp page. They have a story in the local newspaper. They sponsored the local youth sports league. Most only focus on their website while neglecting these 3 critical factors that Google's algorithm actually cares about. Now, when you use AI correctly, you can fill these cups faster and more effectively than your competitors. And remember, we don't want to just rely on proximity to get calls. The businesses that rank across the entire city are the ones that get the most calls overall, not just the ones who happen to be closest to the searcher. All right, time to go back to the studio. I always wanted to say
The first AI hack I'm going to show you focuses on properly optimizing your Google business profile. This is the foundation that affects all 3 types of trust. When someone searches for a local business, they're going to see your Google business profile first. not your website. So the first AI hack that can completely transform a local business visibility in just 20 minutes, it's something my agency has used to take businesses from nowhere to the top 3 spots almost immediately. And the best part, it targets the exact signals that Google is looking for right now, not outdated tactics from 2018. So this first hack, we're going to use ChatGPT to fully optimize every single box in your Google business profile. You're going to need multiple categories. Aim for 3 to 4 relevant ones. Here's the exact prompt that I use to get AI to give me more category ideas.
If you don't want to keep pausing the video to copy these AI prompts, I put them all in my school community. You can join by clicking the link in the description.
This generates the perfect category combinations for any local business. And next, you're going to need a compelling business description. Use this prompt. Finally, schedule weekly GBP posts automatically with this prompt. Generate 15 to 30 posts at once, schedule them weekly, and set them to repeat. That gives you unlimited Google Business Profile posts in under 20 minutes. Now that your GBP is fully optimized, what's the next critical piece that most businesses completely miss? This is why you see even experienced marketers make mistakes that tank their client rankings. One small error here can make Google think your business doesn't even exist. So the second AI hack focuses on something Google has cared about since day one: trust. Before Google will rank any business, it needs proof from across the web that you're legitimate. But how do you build this trust quickly and effectively? Google needs to see consistent information about a business across the internet. One of my clients had their phone number listed differently on 17 different websites. Now, Google sees this as 17 different businesses, not one business with 17 citations. Their rankings were stuck until we fixed it. Now, this second hack, it automates citation building and consistency checks. Use this prompt with ChatGPT to generate a complete name, address, phone number consistency audit. You're going to want to use their deep research feature here, or you can use Claude 3.7, which also is capable of crawling the web. But this will identify all inconsistencies across your client's digital footprint. If there are consistencies that are easy to fix, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, focus on building new and accurate citations on the websites where you have the errors. The number of accurate citations matters much more than fixing prior overlapping ones that may no longer be accurate. You'll also want to create social profiles. They do count as citations. And if you don't want to do all of this manually, the website that I would recommend is icecreamtruck.shop. It's my website that we obviously use those services at my agency. So now that your citations are consistent, Google knows who you are, but there's still a critical technical piece missing that 99% of local businesses get wrong. This next hack is the secret weapon my agency uses to get results for clients in some of the most competitive markets in the country. Now, this third AI hack involves special code that speaks directly to Google's algorithm, telling it exactly what your business does and where you're located. You can think of this like moving. You don't need to label the boxes that you put all of your worldly belongings in. But if you don't, you're going to need to go through each box to figure out what it is when you get to your new destination. And this hack is simply labeling the boxes. So what's this magical code? Schema markup is the code that helps Google's algorithm understand who you are, what your business does, and why that particular website exists. Most local businesses either don't use it or they implement it incorrectly. So for this third AI hack, use ChatGPT to write perfect schema markup in the JSON LD format that Google prefers. Here's the exact prompt that we currently use. Now, the key is to put this local business schema on exactly one URL, not every page of the site. You want it on your GBP landing page. Once generated, insert it into the head section of the website. You can test it with Google's structured data testing tool and ask ChatGPT for edits until you see 0 errors and 0 warnings. You can then ask ChatGPT for other schema ideas to implement across the rest of your website to make sure Google understands why each of those pages exist. So now that Google understands who you are and what you do, we need to know where to focus our content efforts. Remember those cups of water I showed you earlier? We still need to fill the relevance cup by creating content that shows Google your business is relevant for local searches. And how do we know exactly where to focus our efforts for the maximum impact? So this fourth AI hack, we're going to combine rank tracking with targeted local content. Set up local rank tracking with a tool like Local Dominator. I have a link to that in the description. Then you're going to use this ChatGPT prompt to analyze the data from Local Dominator and create a content plan. This is going to generate content specifically for neighborhoods and areas where you're currently not ranking well. Focus on optimizing the homepage for local intent, creating supporting content for target neighborhoods, and writing about your primary services in those specific locations. With geographic relevance covered through neighborhood targeted content, we're going to then need to build topical relevance. This brings us to our fifth and I'd say most powerful AI hack. So you have your GBP optimized, you have your citations, you have your schema marking working perfectly, and you have local content targeting the right neighborhoods. But there's one more critical ingredient missing that separates page 1 rankings from page 2 obscurity. The fifth and most powerful AI hack that completes this local SEO puzzle, it leverages something that you've seen hundreds of times, but probably never thought to use for SEO. Google measures how comprehensive your content is on a topic. The more questions you answer about your service, the more Google sees you as an authority. At my agency, we took a dentist from page 2 to the top 3 by creating content all around the questions that people are actually asking about dental services. While competitors had general pages, we answered the very specific questions that potential patients were already asking. So that's what this fifth hack is. We're going to leverage the People Also Ask section in Google to build topical authority. Type your primary keyword into Google and you'll see something like this. And once this comes up, you can click on any question to reveal more. Go ahead and copy all of these questions and use this ChatGPT prompt to turn these questions into local content to build topical authority. Write articles answering each question with the city name added, like what does a plumber do in Houston? Source quality external links to each new article. This is how Google knows your content is high quality before it's able to use user data. These 5 AI hacks will get your clients ranking in the top 3 spots. I've done it dozens and dozens of times, but I did promise you a bonus technique that can double your conversion rate once you're ranking. You know what's worse than not ranking? I would say ranking and still not getting any calls. I've seen businesses finally break into the top 3 after months of work, only to watch their competitors with fewer stars and worse websites get all the business. It's heartbreaking. The difference often comes down to one simple thing a lot of SEO agencies ignore. There's no fancy tools required. There's no complex strategy here. Just a single text message with a specific format that's proven to get results time and time again. Now, using this simple review technique, we've helped a client get 24 new 5-star reviews in just a week. Their call volume doubled, not because their ranking improved. Reviews don't help ranking very much. Their call volume doubled because people were more likely to call them once they saw all those reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the review link from the Google Business Profile. Let me show you real quick how to do that. So we'll go ahead and start here with Google, and you'll want to make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with the Google Business Profile that you're interested in. So I'm going to search for my SEO agency name, Ulku Logistics. And it does say you manage this business profile. That's important. I'm going to go ahead and close out this stuff about Google Ads. Not very interested in it, and I'll hit View Profile. Once I've hit View Profile, what I want to see is this button here, Ask for Reviews. Once I click on that, I'm going to get this, which I can then copy and paste into any source. Once you have that review link, you're going to ask your client to text this simple message to their past customers from their phone, the same phone they've used previously to talk to those customers. Hey, hope you're doing well. If you are happy with our services at my business, would you mind leaving me a quick review here? Thanks for your support. owner name. I know that sounds super easy, but a simple text like that from the actual owner's phone gets over a 50% response rate versus less than 5% for email campaigns. At my agency, I make it a requirement in our contracts that new clients will send this text out to their past customers. So now you have all 5 AI hacks to dominate local SEO, optimizing your GBP completely, building consistent citations, implementing perfect schema markup, creating targeted local content based on rank tracking, and building topical authority with the people also ask method. Plus, you also now know how to get conversion boosting reviews once you're already ranking. But there's a critical question. How do you get clients who will pay you $1,000 a month or more to implement these strategies? Now, the truth is, having these skills means nothing if you can't find businesses that are willing to pay for them. So I've created another video showing you the exact Facebook ad campaign my agency used to land 30 clients in 30 days. In this video, I'm going to give you everything. The targeting parameters, ad copy, images, even the exact proposal template that we used at my agency. Click the video on the screen now, and you're going to get my client acquisition system that pairs perfectly with these AI local SEO hacks.